Today we're going to check out all of these cool things I got from Cloth and Paper's January subscription box. Now this subscription box was $55 and then you pay another $1.95 for what's called route package protection. I don't know what that is. Doesn't even matter. It's only $2. And then you pay taxes. So this is, I would say, probably the best luxury high-end brand that does inserts. All right, I haven't gotten this in a while, so I am very excited to see what's inside the January box, which is always the best box when it comes to planner anythings, because people just feel like it's a new year and you need more stuff. And that's totally fine with me. Okay, so the box is very cute. It says a new era awaits, and it has a little social media symbol, and I guess that's it. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and check these out. So we got five. I'm just bad at math. We have 5 pens in here, and they all look to be maybe, oh, that's kind of cool. I've never seen a stand like that. So I guess that's kind of nice. They just stand all by themselves, like up at your desk or wherever you want to put them. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so we'll try writing with those in a minute, but let's look at all the things that we got. So inside this first packet, and also I just want to say the packaging is really nice. Like everything has been individually wrapped. Even the pens came in their own little box. So it wasn't like a hodgepodge of like you bought 100 things and then just threw some in each box. Okay, so we have a card. Wish you were here. Missing you already, and I guess just a really lonely dorm room looking picture. I don't know what that is. Okay, so we have some envelopes to go with them, and they all say Rilasati. Maybe this was designed by somebody else, and that's why they say that. And I'm just not hip or cool enough to know who that designer is. But let's go to the next one. Ooh. Chocolate. Oh, chocolate page flags. I thought it was like actual real chocolate. I know. I said I was giving up processed sugar, but I feel like there should be an exception for chocolate. It's mostly like the chocolate flour combination, or I know, just justifying this in my mind. Okay, so here we have for tomorrow, a little paper pad thingamajig. And oh wait, these are Post-its. So I do like those. Small, but it's pretty long, so you can like write a substantial amount of stuff. And then here we have, there's a time and place to, okay, maybe I should open it first so we can actually see inside of it. That would probably make it easier. All right, there is a time to plan, a time to act, and a time to rest. It is wise to know which is which. I don't know why there's these extra spaces in there, but okay. So this is just a piece of paper. Got it. All right, so now we have what I think is a dated planner in a very unique horizontal format. I don't even think I remember. I just said I wanted a half page because you could choose. There were like tons of different sizes to choose. So we have January. Oh, it's a trifold. Okay. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June. It goes all the way out. And then on the other side, we have July, August, September, October, November, December. And this is a very unique way to do the whole year. And the weekends are grayed out, so you know where they are. And yeah, I like it. I think it's like a new way to look at the year at a glance. So A+ on that. And okay, so we've looked at this. Okay, let's look at our non-chocolate, tabs. So these are just little bookmark things. So the only problem I have with these is, I don't know why, for some reason when you get these tinier things, the sticky part is not very sticky. So they don't really stick that well. They come off really easily. So these are probably not something I'll use. This says it's a trinket table. Don't know what that means, but we're going to find out. Oh, it's like a leather kind of thing. It says Cloth and Paper Company established 2015. Well, she started going into business the same year that I started trying a business. I say trying because I really wasn't profitable for the first 2.5 years. So I was just kind of doing, I think the IRS calls that a hobby. Here we go. I have a pen. Is it a pen? Oh, it has that little plastic thing. Remember the first time I saw these with the little plastic on the end, I was like, it's broken. There we go. Can I write on something? Whoops, can I write? Oh, it's red. Okay. I don't know what I wrote on, but oh, it's a little lonely picture again. I don't know. I find these pictures very like sad and lonely. All right. So what do we have in here? This looks like a credit card holder. It looks like my hotel room holder. I don't know why I'm out of focus. There we go. This looks like my hotel room folder. It says a new era of me, and it looks like a hotel room key. I guess this was just to make it cute and fun. All right, we have a box of something. So this must be the main attraction. Can I open it? I cannot. Why do I have difficulties with this? You know what? I'm just going to rip it open. I know that's not how it's supposed to be opened, but I can't do it. And it's not like I'm going to keep the box. It's not like a collector's box like the old Cultivate What Matters boxes were. Okay, here we go again. Realisate. Who is this realisate person? Or is this like a phrase or something I'm just not cool enough to know? Oh, I do like this. This is very cute. So this is something, let's write on it. Oh, let's try our, okay, so this is our red pen, which I actually kind of like. It's like a very dark red pen. Usually you can't see red. And let's try our handy dandy new pens. So here we go. I like that. I really just like that you can like keep them standing up. It's like a very neat feature. So let's try all the other pens. I don't know why they're so hard to get out, but that's good. I guess that means the kitty can't knock them over. So this looks like another red, but a brighter red. That's like the traditional red that I always think of. Here's yellow. Can't see that at all, but that's okay. Here we go. Green. And now we have black. So these pens are kind of cool. It looks like they're clear, and they're a 0.4 fine pen. Yeah, I am very happy with all of this.